everybody around here like they try talking English that, you know, pop.
Oh, shit. So was Hindu.
Yeah, so I turn around down. To kick rock.
Oh yeah. I wouldn't cry about it.
No oil or anything. He was renting it. It took almost 2 years to get everything, the charges. They were going to spend her license, registration, and everything.
Jesse,
I got queries for men.
You're right, and you're
You got a son? Son at the car show.
yo como cuando tengo
Hmm?
todo eso con
Oh, one. Oh yeah.
Stop swinging.
En un viaje.
Ya lo que me falta son la polea del alternador, la punta de eje. Alright, boys, that's how we're looking. Things is macked up for the date. I struggle to get them bolts out, put them back in. We got the new exhaust header system going on. I gotta put the remaining of the cap back with the muffler itself. But my goal was today to attach that. We put some more wires that I needed to hook up. The alternator is good money. Everything else, a couple of the hoses that I got this one that I gotta switch up. I got it right here. I just gotta undo it from here, put it on. Other than that, it's pretty much done. Waiting on axles, alternator belt. We gotta get, of course, your fluid, coolant, new oil, filter, spark plugs. It's a must. And yeah, pretty soon, hopefully, we get things going. Maybe next time y'all see is not gonna be here. I'm trying to see if I could roll it to the street so I could actually jack it up straight. Don't have to worry about rolling down the street or the hill. So that's probably the best move. That's why I won't do the full assault today, because I got jack it up high up. I still got to put the chip linkage. So yeah, I done as much as I could in this hill. By any means necessary, I did. But just to play it safer, sometime this week I'm gonna see if my boys they help me out to trying to put it out in the street better, so I could jack it up and put the chip linkage and the rest of the full assault to the muffler back. But not too bad, boys. You take your time, things happen. You're trying to rush, and you might miss one thing or two. Not too bad, can't complain. Hanging out with fam, with my friend, with my boy Luis. Came down to check from Massachusetts. Sure y'all gave him a follow. So yeah, happy Father's Day to everybody else in the channel. We're gonna continue with the day today.
Está haciendo. Porque
En la tondra.
de esta, no, de esta.
Ok.
De esta, él te empieza a blinkear la D. Te empieza a blinkear y ese ya yo lo tengo. Pero entonces cuando tú la llevas, ella cuando cambia te da un cantazo. Y lo que estuve así como que viendo con otra gente, pues que eso es uno de esos sensores, pero que se lo quiera por allá. Yo no las quiero hacer todas.
Mira, esto como que creció un poquito más de la otra vez.
Esto es lo más que yo le puedo. Eso es lo más que yo le puedo sacar porque esto lo picaron. Eso ahí con cuidado. De aire, un sensorcito también.
Y esta otra, esta tú sabes toda la gente que vienen al trabajo con ellas liqueando. Why can I buy that?
Ya yo dije, ya yo no paso trabajo.
Ah, tú vienes preparado.
Cuando yo te digo que no. Bueno, aquí yo tengo que hacer llave. Invento.
Ok,
Invento.
ok. Pero la otra que baje costa para allá.
Vamos a poner la otra.
Un poquito más para arriba, aunque se encima de la caja. Esta herramientita después poner en medio allí. Mira, hay que te lleve los otros. Si quieres llevar bien.
y lo tenía presente y lo hice como quiera.
Yo mismo lo he hecho un montón de veces, apurado. En los junkers y sitios así, que llego para el carajo. O no lo voy a necesitar después me arrepiento.
Eso retiene que el agua suba. You don't want that thing of your you was the one, or maybe not that you do it, maybe it's that you said to the owner, cost this, and the guy says, I respect that you sit down and you tell me, hey, I'm going to check it. We are talking about this.
Alright, boys. This is the end of the night. Today was a great day between friends, fam. Simply chilling. Enjoying Father's Day. Being a beautiful day. Made a lot of progress on the EK truck. I'm taking my time with it. I'm barely a few days from turning this car on. I'm one man person, team, doing what I can, putting the work day in and out. I got my regular 9 to 5 if you want to say. So, but yeah, the feeling is good, boys. Car is coming along, new light. Shout out to Axido LED light bulbs. Make sure you check them out. Use the code MACDAC for 15% off in the site. Let's go and show Axido some love. With that being said, we're gonna wrap it up here. More thanks and appreciate every single one of you that have subscribed, like, comment on the channel. Thank you until the next time. Peace.